Careful, Chloe, there is actual river there, as well as flood. So we can't go that way because, well, that's the river and that's meant to be a field. What should we do, Chloe? Can't go under it, etc. You can go through it, but I can't. I don't think Mike's legs will do much good. Right, let's go round then and see what's down that way. Come on then, folks. Good boy, Woody. This way. Good girl. Good girl, Chloe. Come on, boys. Good boy, Frank. Well, there'll be plenty of stops for drinkies, won't there? Give it a couple of months and this will be the whole lot will be a complete bog. If that. Ugh. Need some new wellies. Good girl, Chloe. Oh, I don't think we're going to be able to cross the bridge. Can't get to it. Goodness gracious, folks. Good boy, Woody.